If I want to like be that girl, I wouldn't put this on. I'm not trying to be that girl and put this on. No. You want to smell your best everywhere you go. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so I can keep giving you info on how to smell good, how to look good, how to feel good, how to dress good. So this is Coach, this is Gucci. This is Kenneth Cole. This is Guess. This is Michael Kors. What's up? It's your girl Kamri Nache and I'm back with another video.
Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Today I'm gonna be showing y'all my perfume collection. My luxury perfume collection. I've been building this collection for about, well, I got my first bottle of luxury perfume probably like senior year or junior year in high school, and ever since then I've been saying that I'm a perfume girl, and slowly but surely I've been trying to build my collection. But these bottles go for like 50, 30 to like 50 to like over $100. So I'm not building it fast. It's being built how my budget can build it. Okay, so these are all 5 of them, and I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm basically gonna tell y'all what the perfume is, where I got it from, what I rate it, and if I would recommend it. So I'm gonna start with my oldest stuff to my newest stuff, since that just makes sense. My very first perfume, as y'all can tell, there's barely any in there. But this was my very first perfume, and it's Michael Kors. It doesn't have a cap. It has like this little button right here that you press. You see like something done spilled in there. Y'all see that? But like it's like glass. It comes in this little rectangle container. It came in also a rectangle box. I use this one the most now only because I got it first. But this was the perfume that put me on to like luxury or high-end perfume. So I'm gonna test it out and give it a rating, because I haven't really rated these, so I'm gonna actually spray it in the air. Yes, and see, the thing that I love about this, it smells fresh. It smells fresh. It smells refreshing. It smells clean. It smells grown. It smells refreshing. Have y'all ever just like, refreshing? That's what this smells like. And I wish I knew the exact name of this fragrance, but I don't. It has like these fruity, it's kind of fruity. It's not fruity, but it's like has this soft hint of like feminine, soft, like baby powder. But it's not strong, it's light. It's light and it's airy, and I love it. And when I go out, I don't know if I ever got compliments on this. I don't even know if I got compliments on any of my perfumes, because I'm not wearing it for compliments. I'm wearing it because I think it smells great. And this smells really great. But I can still smell it right now. It smells like fresh cucumbers, but it doesn't smell like fruits or vegetables. It just smells fresh and light. And I would actually give this like a 8.5. It's like you could wear this every day and it won't be overpowering. You won't be doing too much. It's like, I'm here. I showed up. This perfume is like, I showed up. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Next on the list is Coach. This Coach fragrance. It comes in this little rectangle bottle as well. It comes with a cap that comes off. And it also says Coach. Design on the bottle too has the 2 C's. And this little gold thing is like a Coach tag. But this one is like, this is the second perfume bottle that I got. And it actually smells completely different than the first one. Let me just spray it. Yeah, so this smells like clean. This smells, it kind of smells like, it kind of smells cheap. I'm not gonna lie. It smells like a cheap perfume. I feel like I can smell the alcohol in this. And I don't like that for me. I don't like the alcohol or like an alcoholic smell, or like where I don't really smell a fragrance. Like, I don't like when I can't smell a fragrance, and that's kind of what this is. But it's really soft. Y'all see I barely use it. Like, I done had it for a while, and this is how much I done use it. Like, look at this compared to this one. Y'all see what I mean? But like, it smells great. It smells like, how else can I describe it? It smells like product cleaner to me. Like, if you was to ask me what it smells like, I would say product cleaner, but sweet. Sweet product cleaner. Like, that's what it smells like. I enjoy this if I go out to like a park or a picnic. It's more, I want to say, because it's so, I don't even know if it would be more winter or summer, but I think you can get away with wearing it in the summer just because it's so light. So I would recommend this Coach. I wish I knew the exact name of it, but I don't know the exact name because I don't have the box anymore. But it smells refreshing, and it just smells refreshing. If I had to give y'all a rating on this one, I would give it like a 5. I would give this like a 5 out of 10. Okay, next on the list is Guess. Hold on, there we go. Guess. So this perfume, it's Guess 1981 Los Angeles. And it's pink and it comes in this little circle bottle. I thought it was so cute when I opened it up and I first got it. The top also says Guess. The top comes off like this. And it shows you this little bottle like that. And this is a girl scent. Let me spray. It smells like if a woman had a cologne, like a male version. I gotta spray again. It smells like if a woman, it smells alcoholic, and I don't like that. Okay, so it's like when I smell perfumes, it's like the main scent, okay, and then it's like the underlying scent. I don't want the main scent or the underlying scent to smell like alcohol. I need the main scent and the underlying scent to both like pair, like work with each other to smell good. This, as you can see, it's also a lot in here. It smells really cheap to me, actually. This bottle is cute, but like the fragrance is not. I feel like you can find something that smells like this fruity, fresh. It's not fruity, it's like fresh. It smells like something you'll get out of Bath and Body Works. So you know all them fragrances that come in Bath and Body Works that just smell good? This could be one of those fragrances. Like, it's not fancy, it's nothing, it's not, like, look how much I've used, guys. Like, and I've had it for almost a year now. And this is only how much I've used. So that says a lot about, like both of these are barely used. But if I had to rate this one on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it like a 6. And I'll only give it a 6 because it will do the job. Like, if I was going out somewhere and I wanted to smell good, like, I would wear this to like a lunch date. Or I would wear this to like a baby shower. Like, I wouldn't wear this to nothing serious. Like, if I want to like be that girl, I wouldn't put this on. I'm not trying to be that girl and put this on. No. So my next perfume is this blue bottle by Kenneth Cole. It was given to me as a Christmas gift. And it's one of my larger bottles. And it's also, I don't use it as much either. You see, it's almost a full bottle. I probably only used it like twice since I got it. So at least you know when you're buying perfume, you get, the bottle is full. They don't skimp you on the bottle. The bottle is definitely worth the money. So this cap also comes off. It looks like this. When I first got this perfume, I thought it was a men's perfume, but I think it's just because it's called blue, they put it in a blue bottle, so I guess it's like nostalgic. Or not nostalgic, but like aesthetic. I guess it's aesthetic. So let me smell this one. Yes, this smells like, I smell an undertone of alcohol, which I don't like, which I've stated previously in this video. But it has like an undertone of alcohol, but the main scent, it's like oak wood, pine forest, like a fresh breeze. Like, it kind of smells like what men deodorant smells like, but lighter. Like, imagine like a Degree deodorant, but like just 1/3 of that scent, and then put in a perfume bottle. That's how this smells. And so it smells really fresh. Like I'll wear this if I'm going like, maybe I'm just out a day on the town or like a store run. That's what this fragrance is for. And it smells really great. It's definitely gonna turn heads. Like this scent will turn heads, but I think it's because it's a strong scent for a female and it's like really bold and loud. So if you want to be bold and loud, Kenneth Cole is your guy. I love Kenneth Cole's clothing. I have a piece of clothing by him, but this is my first fragrance by Kenneth Cole. And I'll have to give it about, it doesn't smell bad, but I'll have to give it a 6. I'll have to give this one a 6. And last but not least, my most recent piece of my collection is this Gucci Guilty perfume. I just got it for this Christmas that just passed. And it's really great. I love it. This bottle is fairly small. This is my most expensive perfume, and compared to the rest, according to the rest of these, like the size wise, it's fairly small. So that's the first thing that I noticed about buying stuff that's luxury. But you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. So this right here is my newest piece. You see how much I done used. Let me tell y'all what it smell like. Ooh, that went right in my face. So this smells like a soft baby powder, sweet, airy. Y'all know how they say like true power is silent? That's what this fragrance is. It's so soft, it's so airy, it's so light that really you only gonna smell it if like you come up close. Like if you come up close to me and give me a hug, or if you walk by me really close, that's when you will smell this. It smells really great. I don't know if it smells better than this one in my opinion, but these are both really great. Cap, I'll show y'all the cap. It says Gucci on there. Gucci Guilty. And I would actually rate this probably a 7.5 or an 8. Like a 7.5. I'll really give it a 7.5 only because I'm not a fan of like real soft. I like my smells. Okay, so I like this smell because it's not bold. That's the reason why I like it. But me personally, I like scents that will stay on me all day and it won't fade away. Like I feel like this fades. I feel like this scent fades. Like if I wear it out to, like I wear this scent mostly when I go out to like a club, or if I'm going to a fancy event, maybe like a wedding, maybe like I'm going out to a club and I want to smell really nice. That's the only time I usually wear perfume like this. But I don't think it lasts me through the whole night. Like the only way that I would be able to tell if I still have it on is literally if I smell my skin. Like that's the only way I would know I still have this on. But like just walking past and like the breeze, like you won't smell it. But like if you want that quiet luxury, that's really what this is. This is like quiet. I smell good. I know I smell good. And you don't need a lot. Like 2 to 3 squirts of this and it's on you. The only thing I don't like is that it's so soft. It's so soft. Like you would like literally have to be right here to like smell it. But other than that, it's great. If I had to pick a favorite out of all of these, I would probably, so if we're going off which one was the most expensive, it's this one. If we're going off which one have I had the longest, it's this one. If we're going off which one is the most bold, it's this one. And if we're going off of what I like the best, my preferred scent, is this one. I probably have to get me another bottle soon, but I really love this scent. I will put this on going anywhere. It's just loud enough to where it's not to where it won't mess with your nose, but it's just quiet enough to where it's like, ooh, what's she wearing? That's what this does. And I've gotten compliments. I've gotten compliments wearing both of these that I can remember. I've gotten compliments wearing both of these. So this is Coach, it's Gucci. This is Kenneth Cole. This is Guess. And this is Michael Kors. So, thank you for watching my video. if you like this video and you like these fragrances, or if you want to know more, or where I get my fragrances from, or how I pick my fragrances, because you can't smell a fragrance before you buy it. You have to buy it in a box. So when I buy these fragrances, I don't know. Like, I didn't know what this would smell like when I got it. When I bought this, I didn't know what it smelled like when I bought it. And when I bought this, I didn't know what it smelled like when I bought it. So basically, you have to just keep trying out scents, trying out smells, just taking that risk. If you want to smell your best everywhere you go, make sure you subscribe to this channel so I can keep giving you info on how to smell good, how to look good, how to feel good, how to dress good. It's your girl, Kamri Nache, and I'm out.
Let's go.